Hello children. Now today we are starting class 3rd lesson number 6, parts of a plant. Okay, today we are seeing the reading children. Just open your book, keep your fingers and pronounce with me. Okay, in this lesson we will read and learn about parts of a plant, the root, the stem, the leaf, the flower, fruits and seeds. Plants also have different parts like that of a human body. The plants is basically divided into two parts. The root system and the shoot system. The parts of a plant that grows above the ground is called the shoot, and the part of the plant that grows below the soil is called the root. The shoot is further divided into many parts like stems, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits and buds. The root. Roots are of two types: taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. When a main root grows from the end of the stem and various other small roots grows from its sides, it is a taproot. Plants like balsam, bean and mustard have tap roots. Fibrous root. When a number of roots grows from the end of the stem, it is a fibrous root. Plants like rice, wheat, onion and grass, etc. have fibrous root. Functions of the root. The root performs very important function. They hold the plant firmly in the ground. They spread out in the soil and absorb water and minerals needed for the growth of the plants. Some roots store food for the plants like carrot, radish and turnip. We eat these roots as a vegetables. Roots prevent soil erosion by holding the soil and saving it from falling away with the flow of water. Roots are white in color. The stem grows above the ground. The main function of the stem is to hold the plant upright and supports its branches. It carries water and mineral absorbed by the roots up to the leaf. In the same way, it carries food prepared by the leaves up to all the parts of the plants. Okay children, now today's your homework is you have to read the page number 42 and 43 5 times.